So you want to be a loan officer. Here's what they don't tell you about becoming an MLO. Hey y'all, I'm Ashton Mitchell, aka the Home Loan Girl. And if you've been wondering whether being a mortgage loan officer is the right career for you, this video is probably your sign. I've been in the game for almost a decade. Through market highs, market lows, interest rate hikes, babies, burnout, and breakthroughs, I have seen a lot. And today, I'm giving it to you straight. What it really takes to succeed as a mortgage loan officer in 2025 and beyond. Let's talk about what nobody tells you before you sign up for this great career. Being a loan officer isn't about just crunching numbers and quoting rates. Sure, the math does matter, but what you really do is solve problems, guide families, and put together financial puzzles. Every day, I talk to people about their jobs, their credit history, their goals, their fears, and their family. It's personal. It's emotional. And if you don't love helping people, this will not be the gig for you. But if you're wired like me, part teacher, part therapist, part financial strategist, and everyday dreamer and achiever, then welcome to your calling. Let me be real. I wouldn't wish the first 2 years of this career on my worst enemy, but I also wouldn't trade it for anything. It's a grind. It's commission-based, and it takes a tough kind of heart to hear no 100 times before your first yes. But here's what I ask people who want to become a loan officer. Are you great at solving puzzles? Do you like teaching others? Do you have hard conversations without flinching? Do you thrive on helping people get out of financial chaos and into clarity? If that's a yes, then you've got the gift this industry needs. To really thrive in this career, you need to master 3 skills. You need technical expertise. You've got to know your guidelines. Conventional, FHA, VA, USDA. There's rules that aren't light reading. They're dense, ever-changing, and full of if-then scenarios. In mortgage, there's a lot of gray and not a lot of black and white. So if you've got a mind that can creatively strategize and think outside the box, you're probably going to do well on the technical side. Marketing and self-promotion is also super important. No one is just going to send you business. You have to build relationships, make videos, educate on socials, attend networking events, be known, become the expert. Communication, super important in our line of work. You're translating mortgage language to real-life emotions. You have to know how to explain closing costs to a scared first-time buyer and how to set expectations with a high-strung realtor who's trying to close yesterday on a deal that got dropped by that online lender. If you can do all 3 of these, you'll probably win in this industry. Okay, what everybody wants to know, the income potential. This career can change your life. I'm talking multiple 6 figures if you're consistent. And yes, there are folks making $1 million or more per year on that beautiful W-2. But don't let the big numbers fool you. It is not fast and it's not easy. Most of us don't get here overnight. You're going to spend years investing in yourself, coaching systems, marketing, building your brand and your systems, and making it structured to make it work. Be prepared for at least a 2 to 5 year game plan before you're hitting those 3 figures. So you're still watching and you're wondering, well, how do I get started? Here's your basic roadmap. 1, you've got to get licensed. You're going to need to pass your 20-hour SAFE course and an MLS test. I think the last time I looked, only 43 or 49% of people passed on their first time, so it's not easy. You also have to pass a background check and get fingerprinted. No bank fraud or major financial crimes on your record. Find a mentor or coach. This is non-negotiable. Whether it's a good branch manager or a paid coach, you need someone to help you walk before you run, and the best way to learn is by watching. Always keep learning. The best LOs are students for life. My biggest tip, give it 2 years. If you can stick it out and stay coachable in this industry, it will reward you for a lifetime. So, do you still want to be a loan officer? If the answer is yes, I'm cheering you on, and I'd love to have a conversation with you if you're in South Carolina. If you're in South Carolina, text me at 843-998-5045. Or even if you're not in South Carolina and you just want a good connection, I know great loan officers all over the country. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want a part 2 for this series. I can talk about referral partners or growing on social media, and I'm always happy to help. Let's build the future of lending together.